Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to block a number on an iPhone. First, go to Phone on your iPhone. Here you need to type the number which you want to block. After that, tap on Add Number. Select the option to create new contact. Give it a name. Also, type the last name. Hit the Done button to save it. After that, go to your contacts. Find the number which you have just saved. Scroll down and you'll see the option to block this caller. Select this option and contact will be blocked. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.